Yeah, recently we bought this Bosch washing machine, which is 7 kgs, and I think many of you might know that Bosch has got a problem with the pressure. It needs a 10 liter per minute inlet valve pressure, which I don't have over here since it is installed just beneath the our water tank. So we were searching for some fix. So what I found is I found this motor, which is actually act as a pressure booster. I'll be trying out this today and see whether it's going to fix the problem or not. So let's unbox this. Let's see what we have. This is here's the brand. I think you can find this even on Amazon as well. Some connectors. So this is actual form, which is made up of definitely metal. It's very heavy. Okay. This is the motor. Yeah, I just tried it before, so there is some water over here. So there is a switch which actually um, it can you can switch it to manual, stop, and automatic mode. So normally the company recommends to keep that in automatic mode always, so that it detects the inlet wall once the water running in from here. So what it does is it takes the water from here and boost, and then give it to our washing machine at this point. It costed me somewhere around 4,000, so I think it should be there around 3,800 in Amazon. So let's see the fittings what we have here. Okay, so these are the two fittings which actually comes in with this. Couple of washers, fittings. Okay, these are the four fittings what we have, which goes like this. Put the washer, connect this side. Of course you need to put some Teflon. I'll show you later. And this side it goes like this. Put the washer and put the Teflon tape. So I'll be doing the Teflon tape on all those things. So this I'll connect to the, as is shown here, this I'll connect to the inlet water where the water comes in, and then it boosts, and then I'll connect the washing machine inlet over here. And a nice power card. It's a good quality, so definitely it's a good quality product, I would say. Okay. And this actually, the specification is very important. Bosch, as per the Bosch requirement, it needs 10 liter per minute the water pressure, but here the max flow rate in this case is 26 liter per minute. Of course it should work fine, so we'll connect and see whether that that indicator, the error message in the washing machine goes off or not. Needs a wrench. You have to make sure it's tight enough so there is no wobbling here. This one is done. And this side, same same process. Put some Teflon tape. Generously put the Teflon tape so that there won't be any water leakage from here. So because it can cause damage to the electronics what you have here. It should be sufficient enough. Now make sure you have the washer. You can see that I connected this motor like this. I minimized as much connection as possible. I have not added any NRVs, nor rental valves or anything as such. So I can see a small water droplet just coming out there. I think I just have to fix it. So apart from that, the things are fine. And so no more water indicator light. That's a tap light error message which is there on the system. So it is fine now. It's not showing any sort of indication as such. So it's in washing mode right now. So things are fine. I think the issue is fixed.